This is Milwaukee's M18 B1 cordless inflator. This is the first time Milwaukee have released an inflator compatible with your M18 batteries. They have had an M12 model for quite some time, but this is the first time they've jumped over to M18. And the first thing you think is, well, an M18 battery, that's gonna be much bigger than an M12 battery, and therefore the model must be much bigger. But this is as portable as you could ask for. I mean, look at this, you've got the handle on top, you've got the hose and the nozzles that pack away on the back. This is perfect for just sticking in your toolbox, sticking in the back of your car or your van, and it is always gonna be there when you need it. Now, when it comes to Milwaukee tools, it has quite a reputation to live up to, and I reckon it does exactly that. This thing can reach pressures as high as 150 PSI, and in terms of efficiency, in just under a minute, it can top off a 33-inch tire. Now, this thing comes loaded with Milwaukee's True Fill technology. Now, what this does is it automatically detects the pressure in your tire, fills it up to the target you've set, and then the auto shut-off feature kicks in and it will stop the tire from overfilling. So all you do is you set the target, fill it up, and you're good to go. If you want to reach the same pressure every time you use the inflator, it has up to 4 memory slots, so you can just store your pressure, select it, and away you go. Now, other features on this unit, you've got the intuitive LED display on the front, as well as, well, you know, with an inflator, you've got the hose on the back, just shy of 1 meter long, but it stores on the back of the unit with the nozzles, so as I said, it is as portable as possible. And another feature I like, on the bottom, you've got these rubberized feet to stop any vibrations, so you can stick it on the floor, there's no worry about it toppling over. So there we have it, this is Milwaukee's M18 B1 cordless inflator. It's a lovely bit of kit for any Milwaukee fan, or I guess anyone with tires really. This is absolutely perfect to stick in the back of the car whenever you need it to pump up your tires. You can check this and thousands more products over at its.co.uk.